The Pacific Floorcare S20 is a premium quality and innovative packed auto scrubber perfect for many applications to reduce the need for multiple machines and reduction of labor and chemical use. With a max runtime of 4 hours per charge and just shy of 2 hours per tank of solution, you can be cleaning longer and prepping less. The Pacific S Series auto scrubbers are available as either an orbital scrub head or dual disc pads or brushes. The Pacific Orbital equipped machine is a multi-purpose machine, robust and reliable for both daily cleaning and special chemical-free finish removal projects. Save over 75% in labor and even more in chemical spend by utilizing the orbital technologies from Pacific Floorcare. Save your knees and back with the Pacific S20 disc machine's automatic on and off brush system. The S20 offers best-in-class scrubbing down pressure with the option of 75 or 100 pounds of downforce pressure. Both heads are tucked well under the body for the tightest turning radius possible and are low profile enough to sneak right under kick plates and counters. The orbital head also features a high-strength impact housing for any obstacles you may encounter. And if you should have any issues, we offer a 5,000-hour, 5-year warranty on all isolators. Protect and lower your operating budget through Pacific's patented Battery Shield battery monitoring system. It's the only one of its kind and not only alerts you when the battery needs water, but also makes it quick, simple, and safe to fill. This will save you up to 3 sets of batteries over the life of the machine. With class-leading technology and easy-to-use functionality, the S20 Auto Scrubber could very well be the best choice for you. Take your cleaning to the next level. Visit us at pacificfloorcare.com for more information and schedule a consultation today.